Hey guys, it's Gibbal. I'm doing today my first review video. It's been long overdue. I should have done it October, November when I got these. So basically I have 3 Lego sets. I'm gonna cut them, build them in front of you. We'll start with this Lego piece first. So I'll use my knife. Look at it, it's like a grenade. I'll just open the box and put this thing slowly together. And we have the instructions right here. And it's Super Mario. This is my favorite theme or whatever. I don't even know, franchise, whatever it is, but it has the instructions. So we're gonna take out the stuff necessary to build this set. And I'm guessing this is the part we use to stand it up. So, flat box. This is all flat. So, I took out everything. I've been holding this. I'll give, my brother gave me this as a gift. So, we'll see. It looks like we got this character. If you guys can see right here, this is the character we got. So, I think it comes with it comes with these random characters. My favorite one would be this one, Toad, and that Hammer Bro, I believe, and Shy Guy. Those would be my favorite. I don't really know who the other one is, maybe Yoshi. So, let's see step 1. So I have to open up this little plastic thing. This is trash, I'll throw it on the floor. But it looks like we start off with this piece right here. You guys see? And I connect it with a piece that looks like this. So that's exactly what I will do. I'll connect these two together. There we go. Step 2. Which will be, it looks like we have, so we need this piece right here. You guys can see this piece and this piece. So I don't know, man. So I'm guessing it goes this way. I think there's a certain way the feet go. There's, if you guys can see, the shoes or something, it looks bigger on one side. So it looks like it goes like this and this right here. Okay, step 3 will be to get this piece right here and get this piece. So we'll try to find, it's kind of difficult in the light right here, but it's fine. So I found the piece, so I put this thing in the corner right here. Looks like there's some other piece. Okay. So, try and follow the instructions carefully. I don't even know who this character is, and I've been playing Mario. I haven't played the recent games, to be honest. So I'm not quite familiar with the new characters. But I'm gonna put this piece together here and grab this other purple. Here we go. It's coming all together now. So we go to step 5. Looks like I have to grab this long white piece right here. This piece, I think it's gonna look like this. And it looks like, wow. So that piece is gonna be difficult to find. It might be this right here. Yeah, it might be this. Yeah, so here goes nothing. I'll put this piece together. Here and here. Okay. Next step, we'll put this white piece right here, and now it's telling me to find some other piece. You guys, hold on with me, please. There it is. Okay. So, I don't know what I'm building right here, to be quite honest with you guys. I don't know what I'm building. And now I have to grab this blue piece, set it in here. So I have to connect it. There we go, just push it in. There we go. Now step 8. I have to find these two pieces, put those together. So I found the piece. I'm gonna put this together right here. There. It looks like a bank robber if you ask me, actually. There. There. See, Gibbal has it. Oh. There. There. Whoa, look how fast I'm building this. And what am I looking at here? So it looks like there's 4 of these. 4 of these. What am I doing? So, okay, so got that there. Okay, I'm assuming sorry, hold on, bear with me. Okay, I see what they're going. So, now a piece right here. If I twist it around, another blank piece here. Might be on this side. This will be right here. This will be on the other side. Okay, so I think this is the way it's supposed to go. So, and then it's telling me to connect it. So, I don't even think I can put this part right. Don't worry, I'm gonna edit this video. You guys probably won't even see me struggle. And there we go. Okay, so if I put it back in here. Oh well. This is the way it's supposed to go. Oh, here we go. Here we go. I fixed it. There we go. So it looks like this. So I'm assuming it's like some type of backpack or something for this character. Now the next part. So it looks like I grabbed this thing right here. I'm going to insert it in the middle. If I can put it in there correctly. And then I'm going to grab the black little piece right here. I'm going to grab this white piece, stick it in here, black and white, black and yellow. I'm going to put this piece right here. And now I'm going to put it right here. So I guess this is the arm. This is the arm. Yes. Now, I'm just telling me I have to put this part right here. And this goes here. This is not a very difficult build, guys. This is not very difficult. This right here. And another piece like this right here. The mouth is gonna go right here. And the ears right here. If you guys know who this character is, comment down below. Comment section, because I'm sure this paper tells me, but I have no idea. I haven't played Mario games recently. I play all the old games. Now, for the foresty thingy, tell me to grab one of the sides, grab this little bush thingy, put it on the corner. Okay. Grab the flower on top of it, and then grab the bricks, the bricky part. Okay. Now this one behind it. And then 3 bricks actually. So it has to look like this right now. Then we'll put this part on top. Right here. This part right here. The weed in the corner. And then these 2 parts right here. Right here. And then whatever this piece is. Right there. Put it on top of this. I'm guessing this is a mushroom. And then 1 more leaf in the corner. A flower on top of it. Why do I have 2 pieces left? I guess it's just it. This is it. There we go, guys. Final. Who is he? Nibbit, Chimpin, Caco, Gazpapo. So it's chimping out, guys. He's stealing his Robin. That's why he has his backpack right here. I'll fix the backpack later. It's probably wrong, but oh well. We'll get to our next piece. So, thank you. This is for my brother. I'll link his channel in the description, and also we'll link his channel. Probably my top comment I'll pin. Maybe I'll save these 2 pieces for later. Now, guys, on to our next Lego set. Gibbal here, knife. We are gonna cut this bad boy into pieces. So, man, this knife is brutal. It cuts so easily. Look at that. Oh, there we go. Okay, so for now, here. Oh, got a spare piece, spare 3. So this is our next Lego set. Thank you, ReygmanTV, for giving me this awesome play set right here. And I'm gonna play like a child with this thing. Hopefully. So I have the instructions. He looks like a familiar character, to be honest, this guy. So we're gonna grab this piece, it looks like. Step 1. We're gonna start putting together. It looks like it goes right here, goes right here, goes right here. So they all connect towards the edges, so like a little pyramid or something. So I'm gonna grab this big block right here, connect them all together. Grab the second block, connect them all together. Now I'm gonna grab this big one up here. Wow, this one's so simple. This is for like a 3-year-old. I wonder who. 6+, so the age is 6 and plus. So yeah, pretty young. We're grabbing this part up here. Now our next step is put this one on the corner. This one on the corner. Oh no, yes. And then this one on the corner. So we're putting our set together, And you know what? I just realized it has also a yellow, so it's telling me to put. So I'm just kind of going through this fast. I'm not really showing you guys the instructions. Gibbal doesn't have to show you any instructions. I do everything myself. But oh wow, this has a star. So you guys see that? There's a star on it. In the future, I do plan on upgrading my camera actually to a better camera in the future. And it looks like it goes this way. So now what for this piece here? Okay, I have to count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it looks like I put the 6 down here, and then I'm gonna connect literally, yeah, the 4th, the 2 tips at the end. They're gonna connect, and then 5, step 5. Shoot. So I have to worry about making this creature thing. So I have to grab this block here, put this together. There we go. I'm gonna grab this block here, put it at the edge. Oh, it has a ton of these things. Wait. Yeah, wow. My goodness. Okay, so I have to learn to put piece by piece. No, that's wrong. Shit. Okay, so piece by piece. So it looks like there's 2 sharp ones in the top, 2 flat ones on the top. So it's, I forgot, I've seen this character before, but I don't quite remember. Okay, 1 spiky one, 2 spiky ones, 2 flats. I'm sure this is the pattern of this character. So if you guys can see, it's pretty cool. And I'm assuming I do that with the same side. Actually, I twist it around. Yeah, I twist it around, put the face, and then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Yeah, okay. And 2 flats. Oops. And what's the next step? Now it's telling me to grab the orange green flower thingy, put it in the middle, and then grab a pink, put it next to it but on the other side. Uh-oh, stick with me, Legos. I think my coworker will really love this Lego set when he sees me building it. And then, oh, I just see this bottom part? I just connected to this white part. Yeah. That's it, guys. Official Lego set. So, these are extra pieces right here, so I'll put them aside. So this is how it looks like. I'll twist it around. It looks like some underwater creature thingy. I mean, it looks like coral? Carol? Look. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be water. But I'm assuming this is the rest of the sets. Right here. It's a whole, like, I don't know, something. But, this is set number 2. And we're going to get on to my 3rd and last set. I'll pull it out soon. 3rd set. Last but not least. Almost New Year's, and the time of recording this. God knows when I'll have this upload it, because I have quite a few things to upload. I actually haven't even got to. So, we're going to flatten that box out, make sure there's nothing in here. Flat. Okay, our last set of instructions. Baby instructions. Ho ho! I got a toad! I got a toad. That's what I'm talking about. I love toads. I got a toad. I dropped that little Lego somewhere. Oh, caught you. I caught your little Lego. That's why you don't just dump your stuff out. It's not dumb. Trash again. Eventually be burnt. So the first instruction would be to grab the feet right here. It looks like it's pointing to the front, so this would be the front of the feet. So the front, you will make sure the front of the feet would be taken care of. Shoot. Now, okay, got the arm. Just chop the arm. Okay. I have to be patient here, cause so if I'm looking at this correctly, I need another piece that looks like this. But where? For God's sake, where? Does it come with... Let's see. Because it's telling me step 1. So I put this piece together. Yeah. But then it looks like there's more this other pieces here. But where though? I don't see it. Oh, I'm so dumb. There it is. And it's telling me to put the arms together. Now, I've never seen Lego do this. I have many Legos before. Let me tell you that. But this is really new. They're always stepping up their game. And then I get the toad face. Get this part, put it on top of here. Put this. I'm pretty sure I'm doing the right thing here. Okay, so it looks like I have to grab this thing here, this flat part, put it on here. Okay, hear that snap? For some reason this is going to be important, so I'm going to put this here. No way, this is incredible. He can literally move his mushroom head back and forth. His mushroom head can go back and forth. Wow, Toe, you always impress me. I love that. To finish the mushroom, you put the little last part. How cool is this? Now imagine they had this, but for every side, but they just look like maybe stickers. So, the next part would be to grab this piece, put it on the angle, put it right here. Okay, we're gonna put this there. No, it looks like a light green. Dark green piece right here. And a dark green piece right here. 4. Step 4. So it's difficult. Most difficult. So I'm guessing they want like a mushroom-like background, because that's what's probably a mushroom-like background. I don't really buy that much Legos, so whatever Legos I have, there are actually gifts from other people. So I decided to make a Lego video of me putting it together. Actually, I thought the people who gave me this might like it, and then I'll upload it to YouTube. They will look at it and they say, "Wow, Gibbal, I appreciate you. The gift, you know." No, I appreciate you. What are you talking about? You were the one who gave me this gift. I'll say thank you. I say thank you. Sorry, so I'm getting distracted. Now put that together, put this together right here, step 5. Now for this other piece, so let me put these parts together right here, and then this part in the very top, and I put this in the middle. Oh yeah, put this right here. I put this in the middle, put this right here. Wow, look at this, all coming together. And then we're gonna put flowers on top of some of the plants. Another flower right here, and one of these guys right here, and of course Toad will be right here. Guys, we are officially finished. We always have these spare parts for every playset or Lego playset, but Toad's right here. This is the finished product. So I'll bring out all 3. We have the bandit or burglar. We have the black eye or squiddy little thing right here. This is all my Lego sets. I haven't even showed you my other Lego Star Wars Lego sets actually I have, but these are my first Mario Lego sets I've ever had in my entire life. So thank you to my brother and ReygmanTV for giving me the gift. I really appreciate it. And a cool knife my other friend also gave me. Thank you guys for the Gibbal review, watching this whole entire video, watching me put it together and talk to myself, going cuckoo and crazy. But this is my review for the Super Mario playset. I'll make sure I try to I'll try to find the products. I'll try to put in the description if I can. But these are random. These comes with random characters, so that's never for sure. So this was it. These were the 2 random ones. This wasn't. So thank you guys. Subscribe, like, share, and comment down below which one is your favorite. If you can build it faster than me, or I'm faster than you. Gibbal out.